Hey guys, back with a real quick video. This is an update of a oldie but a goodie. This is my prodigal son refinished NeoPixel Teensy Saber with the magnetic blade plug and blade connector. But what I did was, first of all, it sold to a gentleman named Big Tex. So Big Tex, this video is for you. I updated it with the new Smoothswing sound fonts that have been coming out recently, and that guys like Ksith and Thexter and Profezzorn and the other guys, Professor Huyang on the Rebel Armory forums are putting in a ton of work on, and they're just really good. The effect is great. So it's a short video just to show the updated effects. As you guys can see, what it is it's a looped swing sound, so it's not playing individual swing sounds when you make a motion. What it does is it's, depending on the orientation of the saber and how hard you're swinging it, it goes into a looped hum sound, so that it's way more realistic. That's the first one. Sorry for the cheesy spinning of the lightsaber. I need to get a better camera setup so that I can demonstrate the actual saber itself, but you guys get the idea. It's just incredibly sensitive. What I did here with this guy is I took the different elements of the new sound effects that the aforementioned guys on the forums created, and I added them into existing sound fonts. So you take your three favorite Return of the Jedi sound fonts. In this case, that's Sentinel, Hero by Mad Cow, and Hero by another guy I can't remember. Sentinel being my absolute favorite Return of the Jedi font. And then you add the looped hums into that sound font, so you get the sound font you love with the Smoothswing ability kind of added and blended into the font. So you don't have to, people don't have to run out and make all brand new fonts again. And you don't necessarily have to buy all new fonts again. You can just get some really good, well done swing loops and just add them to your pre-existing fonts, which is a great function of the new effect, because if I had to buy all these fonts that I have and that I use all over again, oh boy, that would just be no fun at all. But at any rate, that's that short and sweet video. Tex, I hope you like it. And thanks for watching.